Welcome back children, and with the next topic, basic construction chapter 4 of geometry. Before proceeding to the construction work, let me give you a few instructions which you should follow. First thing, for doing the construction work, that is geometry work, you are going to use ink and leaf copy you all are provided. Do you know what is ink and leaf copy? This one. In ink and leaf copy children, the left side page, that is plain side of the copy, should be used for the construction work, and the construction work should be done only using pencils, means no pen work on that page. Children, next, to write the question or the step of construction, you should use the right side of the copy, that is ruled page of the copy, and written work is done with pen. Next, while doing the written work, there is no need of writing step of construction if you are not asked in classwork, in homework or in exam. And if it is mentioned to write the step of construction, then definitely you should write. Here, children, take care of the neatness of the construction, because neatness of construction work counts. Children, definitely are going to enjoy constructions. So children, be with me during the construction work with your copy and instrument, and do all the constructions with me as classwork, and at the end of the lecture you'll get the homework sums. So let's proceed. Geometrical tools. Before proceeding the construction work, let me introduce the basic tools needed. Number 1, ruler. The purpose of ruler is to draw a line segment, measure a line segment, a ray or a line. The next one is compass. The purpose of compass is to draw a circle of a particular radius, or to draw the arc or angles. The most important part of the compass is this tips. While setting the pencil, these two tips should be parallel. Third most important tool is set squares, a pair of set squares. Let me introduce one by one each. First, let us see this set square. In it, you have this angle is of 90 degree, and the other two angles are of 45 degree. Another set square. In this, the largest angle is of 90 degree. The next two angles, one is of 60 degree and the smallest one is of 30 degree. And the purpose of set square is to draw parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and even for making angles they are used. 4. Protector. This is standard size protector, in which you will find the marking from 0 to 180 in both the direction. One is called inner scale, the other is called outer scale, and this is the center point of the protector, and this is baseline of the protector. Use of protector I will explain you while construction of the angles. And just see, this is your complete protector, in which the angles you can measure from 0 to 360 degree. Usually we prefer standard size protector. Construction 1. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. Exercise 4, question number 1. Step 1. Use a ruler to draw a line segment AB of 6.3 centimeter. Step 2. With A as center and a radius more than half of this length AB, draw arc on both the sides of AB. So let's take approximately, this is the center of it, take more than half of it, the radius of this arc. Now A as center, the arc below and above the line segment. Repeat the same from B. Now B as center, intersect the initial arc. Let these 2 points be C and D. Step 3. Join C and D. Now the line CD is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB, and the point P where it intersects AB is the midpoint of AB such that AP equals to PB equals to half of AB. To bisect a given angle, let me explain you the meaning of the term bisector. Bisector is a line or a ray which divides the angle into two equal half. So let me proceed. First, let's make an angle of 75 degrees using protractor. Children, you all must be knowing how to construct angle using protractor. Use inner scale and mark 75 degrees on it. Complete the angle. This angle is of 75 degrees. Now let's move to the main step of construction. To draw the bisector of a given angle, step 1, with the vertex A as the center and a convenient radius, draw an arc which intersects the ray AB at P and ray AC at Q. So let's follow the step. A as center, draw an arc of suitable length such that it intersects AB at P and AC at Q. Step 2, with P as center and a suitable radius more than half of PQ, draw an arc. Step 3, now Q as center and the same radius, repeat the same step. The two arcs meet at point D. Step 4, join A and D. The ray AD is the bisector of angle BAC. It means angle CAD equals to angle DAB equals to half of 75 degree, that is 37.5 degree. Let's verify using protractor. Place it on this vertex of the angle, line up the baseline with the ray and just see it's exactly equals to 37.5 degree. To draw an angle equal to the given angle, draw an angle ABC equals to 56 degree using protractor. Children, you all know how to construct an angle using protractor. Draw any ray, name it BC, P as center, line up the baseline of protractor with the ray such that this point lie to the vertex of the angle, and use inner scale and draw an angle of 56. Mark the point at 56 degree and complete this angle using ruler. This is the given angle ABC equals to 56 degree. Now let's move to the steps of construction. Step 1, draw a ray OP through O. Step 2, draw an arc of a suitable radius with the center at B to intersect the ray BC at D and AB at E. Step 3, draw an arc of the same radius with the center at O to intersect the ray OP at R. Don't change the length of the arc. Intersect OP at R. Step 4. Use a pair of compass to measure the line segment DE. So let's use a pair of compass and measure the line segment ED. See how? Step 5. Draw an arc of radius D with the center at R to intersect the arc drawn in the step 3 at the point Q. So keep it at R, draw and mark it as Q. Step 6. Draw a ray to join OQ. Hence, POQ is the required angle equal to the angle ABC. It means both are equals to 56 degree. Let's verify the angle which you have constructed. Is it equals to 56 or not? And children, when you align the center point with the vertex of the angle and the base line with the ray, you will find it exactly equals to 56 degree. To construct an angle of 60 degree, step 1. Draw a ray OA with O as the end point. O is the end point, OA is the ray. Step 2. Draw an arc of suitable radius with O as center to intersect the ray OA at P. So let us follow the steps. O as center of suitable radius, draw an arc which make OA at point P. Step 3. Draw an arc of the same radius as in step 2 with P as center so that it intersects the initial arc. So let's follow. P as center, it intersects the initial arc. Take care children, this radius should remain same during the whole process. Step 4. Join O and Q. And extend this line till B, hence angle BOA measures 60 degree. Let's verify using protractor. Place it on this vertex and line up the two and just check. It's exactly equals to 60 degree. Students, to construct an angle of 30 degree, take all the steps to construct an angle of 60 degree. Once 60 degree angle is obtained, then we'll bisect angle and obtain the angle of 30 degree. So step to be followed. Step 1. Take Q as center and the radius of this more than PQ and draw an arc. Step 2. Without changing the length of the arc, P as center, repeat the same. The two arc meet at point D. Step 3. Join DO. Hence, angle DOA measures 30 degree. Let's verify it. Place the compass on it and just see it is exactly equals to 30 degree. Hence, by bisecting an angle of 60 degree, we obtain the angle of 30 degree. To construct an angle of 120 degrees, step 1. Draw a ray AB with A at end point. Step 2. Draw an arc with A as a center and a convenient radius to intersect AB at the point P. So let's follow step 2. A as center of convenient radius, draw an arc which intersect AB at point P. Step 3. Draw an arc of the same radius with P as center, which intersect arc at Q. Step 4. Draw a third arc of same radius with Q as center. So during the whole step of construction, the radius of the arc will remain fixed. This is point R. Step 5. Join A and R and extend it to C. Collect the point R and A. Check the alignment of the two and draw it carefully and extend it till the point C. Hence, angle CAB is an angle of measure 120 degree. So let's verify. Place it on this vertex and line up the two. Check exactly equals to 120 degree. So angle CAB equals to 120 degree. Construct an angle of 90 degree. Repeat the steps of the construction of an angle of 120 degree. So let's first make an angle of 120 degree. For it, draw a ray OA which end at O point. Now O as center. Draw an arc. The point where it meet, the arc meet at point P to OA. From here, without changing the length, P as center, draw an arc which meet at point Q, and from Q, draw the arc of same length which meet at point R. Q, R. So once you reach to this step, means you have constructed an angle of 120 degree. We will go to the main steps of construction of angle of 90 degrees. Step 1. R as center, draw an arc of a suitable radius. Step 2. Without changing the radius of the arc, Q as center, repeat the same step. The two arcs meet at point D. Step 3. Join D and O. Hence, angle DOA measures 90 degree. Let's verify. So look at this, exactly equals to 90 degree. So first you have constructed the angle of 120 degree. This part is 60 degree, this angle is of 60 degree. Once you bisect this second angle of 60 degree, means you will get angle of 30 degree. So 60 degree plus 30 degree equals to 90 degree. The alternative method of making an angle of 90 degree. Step 1. Draw a line AB passing through point O. Step 2. O as center, draw an arc of suitable radius which meet line AB at point P and Q. It means this represents angle of 180 degree, and once you bisect angle of 180 degree, you will get the half of 180 means 90 degree. So let's bisect the angle of 180 degree. Step 3. P as center, draw an arc of suitable length more than OP. Next step, QS angle, repeat the same without changing the radius of the arc. This point is D. Step 5, join O and D. Hence angle DOA equals to 90 degree. Verify by placing the protector on it. Hence verified. To construct an angle of 45 degree, take all the steps to construct an angle DOA equals to 90 degree and then proceed for the first step. Step 1, P as center, draw an arc of suitable length. Step 2, let this point where the arc meet the ray be S. Place the compass on S. As anchor, draw the arc of same radius. The two arcs intersect at point B. Step 3, join B to O. Hence angle BOA equals to half of 90 degree equals to 45 degree. Let's verify. Hence verified. To construct an angle of 75 degree, follow all the steps of construction of angle BAC equals to 90 degree. Step 2, draw an arc of a suitable radius more than half QS with center Q. And draw an arc more than QS. This point is S. Next step, draw an arc of same radius with center S. Means the two arcs meet at point T. Join T to A. Hence angle TAB equals to 75 degree. Pay attention student, this is 60 degree and this is half of 30 degree. Half of 30 degree means 15 degree. And 15 plus 60 becomes 75 degree. So let's verify angle TAB equals to 75 degree or not. Children, hence we can easily verify that angle TAB measures 75 degree. Children, to construct an angle of 135 degree, step 1, use the alternative method for the construction of an angle of 90 degree, which I have already done for you and it was explained during the construction of angle of 90 degree. Step 2, let R be the point of intersection of the ray OD with the arc in step 2 on the alternative method, means this point. Step 3, then take the steps to bisect angle BOD by the ray OC. Now how to bisect angle BOD? Keep the compass on point R, draw an arc of suitable length. Now without changing the radius of the arc, QS anchor, draw the arc which intersect the initial arc at point C. Join C to O. Hence angle COA measures 135 degree. How? Just look at children, this part, this angle is of 90 degree and this is half of 90 degree, means 45 degree. So 90 degree plus 45 degree. When you sum up, it becomes equals to 135 degree. Let's verify using protractor. Exactly equals to 135 degree.